Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I personally analyze and catch trend using price action. Okay, and I will be showing you a live video on how I was able to do that right here on this video right now. Okay, so if you are excited, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you're a new subscriber, make sure you subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your notification. Okay, so with that out of the way now, let's go straight to how I was able to catch this long spike right here. All right, so you can see this is the 50-minute time frame. So without wasting much of our time, let me show you how I was able to do that. So guys, as you can see, the first attempt hit my stop loss, which is $2, and when it spiked, alright, this one that spiked, I knew it was going to continue. Alright, I knew that after this one there was going to be a longer one, so I re-entered again. Alright, and you see this long one that came, it made me almost $6. Alright, because I was using the lowest lot size, as you can see here, so it made me almost $2, and I recovered that $2 loss. Alright, I made a profit of $4. Right, so this is how the market behaves. Alright, sometimes it goes for your stop loss, and then in a little while it will go your way. Alright, but if you have the equity and you are okay with your risk management, alright, if you have the equity and you are okay with your risk management, then you can just take another entry, and I will assure you maybe it will go your way, alright? Because this market, you don't know how you don't know its next move, alright? All you have to do is to react to it, alright? You should just set your trap and wait for it to come your way, alright? So that is it for today's video. If you love the video, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful content like this, you get notified immediately. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Silver out.